In this video, let's talk about why do you need to install the Ford wheel spacers with Hub-Centric.
Ford wheel spacers are a common modification for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their Maverick. The Ford Maverick wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing Ford Maverick wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Ford Maverick wheel spacers can change the wheels offset and backspacing when you add some larger components for buying another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Ford Maverick wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Ford Maverick wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. For the Maverick Hub-Centric spacers, make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and the wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the Ford Maverick spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it sits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than a lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS FT cooling for the Maverick wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Ford Maverick wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing Ford Maverick wheel spacers for a vehicle, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day!